Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. In this opportunity, I like to presentation my paper article with the title is Information Literacy of Postgraduate Student in Online Learning. My name is M. Akbar Gufara. I am master student in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia, and my research partner is Abdul Rashid Fahmi Gani. He is master student in Universitas Negeri Malang. Introduction. Students with the series of titles and roles are considered as important figures who can make a real contribution to social life. His strength as an intellectual elite is required to provide brilliant thought that can be executed in real life. Brilliant ideas are often the hallmark of students, so it's not wrong if this nation holds its hopes on the shoulder of the student as the next generation, who can continue the relay of nation struggle. Satya Dharma, as chairman of Indonesia Literacy Culture Development Forum, said that the literacy culture of the Indonesian people was far behind other countries in the world. The result of the PIRLS process in international reading literacy studies state that the average reading literacy achievement score of Indonesian students was 405, which was significantly below the international average is 500. He also released statistical data from the UNESCO, which state that the reading interest index in Indonesia had only reached 0.001. This means that for every 1,000 residents, only one person has an interest in reading and writing. The UNDP figures are also surprising that the adult literacy rate in Indonesia is only 65.5%, while Malaysia is already exceeding 6.4%. The low literacy culture in Indonesia caused education in Indonesia to lag behind neighboring countries. Literacy culture can affect the quality of education and human research products. Literacy activities among students are still relatively low when viewed from student activities in academic and non-academic activities, and there is no achievement shown by students in literacy activities. There are several problems for students in cultivating literacy, including laziness, lack of motivation, unfocused, fatigue, and bored, no writing ideas, difficulty in completing words and sentences, lack of reference in the vocabulary, and reference in foreign language. Risk method. The study used a qualitative approach which aimed to determine student information literacy during online learning. A qualitative approach is the collection of data in scientific setting using the scientific method and carried out by people or research who are scientifically interested. The type of research used is descriptive qualitative. The research subject in this study were students of the postgraduate mathematics education study program at one university, West Java province class of 2021 to 2022. The sample was taken as many as 30 students using convention sampling technique, where the sample is taken by of the willingness of students who are willing to be respondent. This research is included in qualitative research with data collection technique in the form of questionnaires distributed using Google Form. The data was processed in qualitative descriptive manners by means of data reduction, data presentation, and drawing conclusion. The result and discussion. On the paragraph, it will be shown the average of value student ability to finding and retrieving information is 72.17. The aspect of finding and retrieving information that has the lowest value is the student ability to plan the information sort process. Students usually look for information that is determined according to their needs when needed without planning various information, seeking process such as time, place, stage of information search, and what information is needed. This is because students are already attached and can find information in short time. Graduated students already have experience in finding and evaluating information to be used. Information is widely available in various information media, but there is some information that has not been explored and published. The lack of specific information makes it difficult for students to find and retrieve appropriate information. On the paragraph, it will be shown short of information used by students. Most students use online journal or online article. Online journal used by students are journals obtained from various trusted journal publishers such as those accredited by Sinta and Scopus. Students choose these sources because it's the result of the latest research and can be referred to as accurate information. The least used source of information by students is virtual museums. Virtual museums are little used by students because they do not suit their needs who are looking for the information based on the latest research result. The use of this information source is also adjusted to the text given by the lecturer, such as journal and book reviews. On the paragraph, it will be shown student ability to use information. Students have carried out an elevation process in using information. Students pay the most attention to behavior to avoid plagiarism, such as studying copywriting law and writing by paraphrasing. This behavior shows the students are able to arrange appropriate information using their own language. Students realize the importance of avoiding plagiarism of the other people writing. Students also write footnotes indicating that the source is quote from another source. The list information evaluation behavior carried by student is verification of the information obtained. Students pay less attention to the author and bibliography in the source they use. Students also pay less attention to publisher, editor, and do not compare the result of information obtained from this source with other source. The tendency not to verify information should be corrected because it is very important to compare the same information from various sources. Comparing the same information from various sources is very important because the data obtained from study may not necessarily be used in different conditions. Students should be able to compare two or more information that discuss the same topic or problem. Therefore, students must have the ability to think critically to be able to evaluate and produce information properly. Postgraduate students must be able to sort out fake news, misinformation, and disinformation on digital platform. Because user of information across various media really an algorithm to decide what kind of information they will find. Students must be able to access raw data and information inherently oxymoronic and nearly impossible. Similar epistemic challenges have emerged on other social-based platforms such as Wikipedia. Conclusion. Based on the analysis and discussion described above, it was found that 72.16% of students were able to find information well. 69.49% of students were able to manage information well. And the most widely used source of information by mathematics education master student was journal, online journal, printed book, and digital library. The conclusion in this study is that students already have information literacy during online learning in the 2021 to 2022 academic year. This is the last part of my presentation. Hope you enjoying. Thank you for the attention.